On July 24, 2024, a Canadair regional CRJ-200 aircraft of Saurya Airlines, registration 9NAME, crashed shortly after taking off from runway 02 at Tribhuvan International Airport in Kathmandu, Nepal. The plane, carrying 19 people including 17 technicians and 2 crew members, was en route to Pokhara Airport to perform repairs on another aircraft. The crash resulted in the tragic loss of at least 18 lives, leaving the captain as the sole survivor, who is currently hospitalized. The accident occurred around 11 local time, and rescue teams responded quickly, managing to control the fire and recover the victims' bodies. Images and videos of the accident were shared on social media, showing the aircraft taking off and subsequently turning to the right before the crew lost control at low altitude. Authorities, including the Civil Aviation Authority of Nepal, have launched an investigation to determine the causes of the crash. This accident is not an isolated event in Nepal, a country with a history of air incidents due to its mountainous terrain and challenging weather conditions. In January 2023, a Yeti Airlines ATR-72 aircraft crashed near Pokhara, killing 72 people, making it one of the deadliest accidents in the country's recent history. According to the records of the aircraft registration 9NAME, MSN 7772, the plane was 21 years old and had been operated by several operators before being leased to Saurya Airlines by Strategic Air Finance in 2017. It was powered by 2 General Electric GE CF34 3B1 engines and had a configuration of 50 seats. The tragedy has shocked the aviation community and led to calls for improved safety measures in Nepalese aviation. Authorities and Saurya Airlines are fully cooperating with the investigation. The airline confirmed that all those on board were company employees. Now, do you think Nepal Airport has become a constant danger and should be moved? Let us know in the comments. We bring you some good information on aerospace. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel.